Yeah, hello. I have here my Honda GCV 160 small engine, and today I want to show you here how to take care of the air filter. So the air filter is here right next to the on-off switch, this black box here on the side, and we can open this without any tools. So all you have to do is you check out these little tabs here on the top. There's two of them. You push those down and then you pop off here the cover. And then before I take out the filter here, I'm gonna make sure that it's really clean, not so dusty around this, so that there's no dirt getting into the engine. So I'm just going to wipe this clean here really quick before I remove the filter. So then I just pull this out. And now here in this case the filter is in really good condition, so I'm going to reuse it. If you want to replace it, then you just pop in a new one. But here I'm just going to shake this off a little bit, making sure that a little bit of debris that's in there goes away. And if you have, then you can also use like a compressed air. And you want to blow that in from the back side here where this grid, this metal grid is. Blow in the compressed air in from there. And now before I install the filter again, I'm going to make sure that this filter housing is really clean too. I'm also using here the clean rag again. I'm going to wipe off the eventual dirt that's in there. So I want to make sure that I'm not getting anything inside of the engine. This is really important. And then you just pop on here the filter again. And then last step, we install the housing cover again. You have on the bottom here these tabs. Just push those in there and then you close it on the top until it clicks. Make sure that it's really tight, it's not loose. And then we're done. Alright, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful. And don't forget to check out my other Honda maintenance videos.